We're going again on the other side of the mountain. 3, 2, 1, go! Again! Yesterday we were about to hit the fence, and today we're about to hit the fence. Can we try one more time? That was so fun.
No, we gotta go home now.
Aww.
All right, Mucha.
Can we
was
go
fun,
tomorrow?
Huh?
Can we go tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Maybe. Tomorrow's New Year's, though.
Christmas, New Year's?
Yeah. It's gonna be 2016 soon.
What do we have to do?
Well, we have to prepare for the party, right?
We have a party?
Yeah, we do.
Yay.
Okay. Let's go
See
home now.
you.